Let's do C. This is still part of number 4, but it's C. It asks, how many milliliters are in 1 serving of Tropical Paradise syrup? Explain your strategy for solving this problem. So, we know how much syrup he made total. We found that out on the last one. We found the actual amount, which was 24 and 69 hundredths milliliters. That's how much syrup he made. And on number 4 originally, it said that he was going to make 6 servings of his famous Tropical Paradise syrup using all that syrup. He's going to make 6 servings. So, it's wanting to know how many milliliters are in 1 serving of Tropical Paradise syrup. So there's a few ways you can do this problem. If you just know how to do it already, you just know to divide, you can go ahead and just start dividing. I'm going to use a tape diagram just to explain that one more time, because that's helpful for some people. So I'm going to draw my tape diagram, and remember, we always label our tape diagrams. What is this problem going to be about? And we know it's going to be about the syrup, because we want to know how much syrup is in 1 serving. So this is going to be our total syrup. And then I have to tell how much is our total syrup. And we already found out that's 24 and 69 hundredths milliliters. So I'm going to label it. Now we know he's going to break it into 6 servings. So I'm going to break my total syrup into 6 servings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now what I'm trying to find is how much 1 serving is. So if I know this is the total and I want to find out how much just this one is, we can see we need to break it into 6 groups or divide by 6. Divide by 6. Now I'm just going to do my work down here so that you can see it. So we have 24 and 69 hundredths. I'm going to start way up here actually. We need all the room we can get for long division. Divided by what? By 6. 6 servings. Can 6, remember your divide, multiply, subtract, bring back down. Dad monkey smell bad. Dad, mom, sister, brother. Does McDonald's sell burgers? Whatever you want. So can 6 go into 2? No. So let's go to the next digit. Can 6 go into 24? Yes. In fact, we know 6 times 4 is 24. So we got to put our 4 above the 1's place. And now multiply. 6 times 4 is 24. Now subtract. 24 minus 24 is just 0. Next step, bring down. So we're going to bring down our 6. I'm going to go ahead and put my decimal up. Just bring it right up. Alright, divide again. 6 goes into 6 how many times? Well, just 1. So put it above the next place value. Now multiply. 6 times 1 is 6. Now subtract. 6 minus 6 is 0. Last step, bring down. Bring down that 9. Alright, divide. 6 goes into 9 how many times? 6, 12, well it can't be 2, so that's just 1. So put your 1 above the 9. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, subtract. 9 minus 6 is, I'm going to go over here a little bit. It's 3. So now that we've subtracted, we have to bring down, because we can't just leave this 3 here. We're dealing with decimals. So I'm going to bring down my 0. Mine's going to be a little crooked. Yours doesn't need to be. Okay, let's start over. Divide. 6 goes into 30 how many times? 6 times 5. Because 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So I have 5 times. Put your 5 up there. Multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. Subtract. 30 minus 30 is 0. Do we need to bring anything else down? Nope, we've got a 0. So we found out that 1 serving is 4 and 115 thousandths milliliters. So I'm using the whole page here, but I'm going to write out my answer. 1 serving is 4 and 115 thousandths milliliters. Or if you want to get even fancier, you can say 1 serving of Mr. Fun's famous Tropical Paradise syrup is 4 and 115 thousandths milliliters. But I'm going to keep it simple here. So it said to explain your strategy. I'm okay if you just show your strategy. So I used a tape diagram. If you'd use division, I want you to explain. I saw that there was that he was needing to divide his or break his syrup into 6 servings, so I divided. Just explain to me or show me how you got this answer. Last one here. These problems, they take it out of you, don't they? Alright, we're not done. D. It asks us to round the weight of 1 serving of Tropical Paradise syrup to the nearest milliliter. Oh, shoot. I erased the answer, and I do not remember it. Okay, pause. I will be right back.